So here, let's look at small talk at work. So of course, at work, we see the people we work with every day or 5 days a week, or, depending on what your job is. So we are a little familiar. We know them. So we often have small talk with the people we work with. So let's look at some work small talk questions. A great question to ask is, so how did you get into and whatever the job is? So I'm a teacher. So let's say I am at my school and I meet a new teacher, or I just see them very often and I want to know them a little better, or just want to chat. I might say, so how did you get into teaching? How did you get into teaching? And then they'll tell me about why they started teaching and so on. So, this is a great question to ask someone at work. So, how did you get into sales? So, how did you get into medicine, right? Whatever your field is. So, this is a great small talk question for someone you work with that you just want to get to know. Let's see, another great question. How long have you been working here? So maybe you don't know, right? You're just being conversational. You just want to have some small talk. So, how long have you been working here? A very common small talk question at work is, looking forward to the weekend? Or just asking about the weekend, right? Many of us at some time in the week feel so tired at work. So we might ask, are you looking forward to the weekend? Or what are you going to do this weekend? Right? We can also, in small talk, just make comments about what is happening, right? So we could say something like, I can't believe how busy we are today. Or I can't believe how slow we are today. Can you? So maybe it is a very busy day, so busy that normally it is not this busy. I can't believe how busy we are today. Can you? Oh, no, I can't believe it. I have so much work to do. Okay, and last one, we can also just talk about the week, right? This week has gone so slowly. Maybe it feels like Friday, but it's only Tuesday. Oh, this week has gone so slowly, hasn't it? Or maybe it's a busy week, it's going very quickly. So I think it's only Wednesday, but it's already Friday. This week has gone so quickly, hasn't it? So here we see some very common or very normal and typical questions for small talk at work.